Hi, I'm Rich Torrey. Welcome to another Level Up Cartooning. All you ever need to follow along with me is a pencil and paper. It doesn't get any easier than that, right? Okay, so in the last few weeks, we've been drawing the new versions of the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles from their hit movie, Mutant Mayhem. We started by drawing Leonardo, or Leo as he's called in the movie, then Mikey, or Michelangelo, and last week, we drew the hot-tempered Raph. This week, we draw the last of the brothers, the brilliant but sometimes awkward Donnie, or Donatello, whose weapon of choice, of course, is the bow staff. While all of our turtle poses and drawings have been challenging, I'd say this one of Donnie is probably the most challenging of the four due to the fact that we are seeing Donnie from below, with the bottom of his left foot the closest thing to us, and with him in an attack pose, about to conk someone with that bow staff. As difficult as our Donnie drawing might be, I want to repeat something I said throughout our turtle drawings. Drawing things that push us out of our comfort zone, testing ourselves a little, and having fun doing it is to me what drawing is all about. It's how we get better. The bottom line is if you only draw what you already know how to draw, you're simply not going to improve. Now, before we get started, make sure you hit the thumbs up and the subscribe button, as it helps this channel to grow, and hit the bell so you never miss a lesson. All right then, let's draw from the new TMNT Mutant Mayhem movie, Donnie, or Donatello. We're going to draw Donnie step by step, giving you the secret formula to be able to draw him again and again. If you watch any of my other videos, you know I normally use the character's head to figure out how big the entire character is. In this pose, Donnie's body is a little over 4 heads tall. In other words, however tall his head is, his entire body is just over 4 of those, with his right toes and his bow staff sticking out a bit above and below. Okay, so let's draw on the roadmap for Donatello, Donnie, from the new TMNT movie, Mutant Mayhem. So there's our roadmap for Donnie. Now we're on to step 2. In this step, we do what I call roughing out the features. I want to remind you that until the third and final step, you want to draw as light as possible. You'll see that I use guidelines to help me to know where to position Donnie's eyes, his glasses, mask, and other things. We don't want those guidelines in the final drawing. So you want to draw them light enough to be able to erase them easily. Okay? So let's rough out the features for Donnie. Okay, so there are the roughed out features of Donatello. So now with the roadmap done and the features roughed out, it's time for that final step. In step 3, we get to have fun. We get to draw in the final details of our Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle. We don't have to guess where to put things because we've already done all the hard work to figure that out. As I have often cautioned you, I don't want you to just mindlessly retrace over the lines you've already drawn. As you're drawing that final line, I want you to be thinking about how you might improve it. Stay vigilant until the very end, okay? So let's draw in the details for Donnie. And that's how you do it. There you have it, the last of our Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle brothers from the new Mutant Mayhem movie, the smart one, Donnie, or Donatello. So how do you think you did? Understand if you've never drawn Donnie or any of the other Mutant Ninja Turtles before, then you can't expect to have drawn him perfectly. And as I pointed out at the beginning, this pose and this character in general is a bit tricky. You notice I don't spend time coloring Donnie during this video because I want my lesson to focus solely on the drawing process. But now you have the secret formula, the process for drawing Donatello. And with that you can draw him again and again. And by all means color him when you're done. I promise each time you draw him, it'll be a little better and a little easier. I also promise the more you work with me, the better you're going to get at all of your cartoon characters. So I'd love to see your drawing of Donnie. If you can, take a picture and post it on either Facebook or Instagram. And don't forget to include the hashtag #LevelUpCartooning. I hope you had as much fun as I did with this one. Remember to subscribe and thanks for joining me. Until next time, cowabunga and keep drawing, my friends.